Stock market tips everyone should know about. Every endeavor you embark upon requires simplicity. Common sense and staying grounded ensures that you think clearly and make informed choices. Continue watching this video for some easy ideas, which will help you to boost your investment portfolio by using the tips and tricks that experts use in their own financial adventures. Exercise patience and control in your investments. The stock market tends to have many investment opportunities that are favorable one day, and not so favorable the next. Keep up with long-term investments rather than getting caught up in flash-in-the-pan opportunities that may fizzle out in no time. Never rely on hearsay, as following the crowd is often a recipe for disaster. When everyone buys the same stocks, the value will decrease unless people are going to buy it in the future. Think independently and do your own research, instead of solely depending on what others say. You should always investigate the fees that you will be liable for from a broker before you register with them. And not only the entry fees, what ones will be deducted at the time of exiting, as well. These fees can take a significant chunk out of your profits over time. Keep in mind that there is a variety of stocks available. Compared to bonds, commodities, real estate and certificates of deposit, stocks might seem like a singular venture, but within the stock world there are many options. Common divisions within the stock market include specific sectors, growth patterns and sizes of companies. Stock investors routinely discuss things like small and large caps and growth versus value stocks. It is good to learn the terminology. Do not invest money that you might need to access in a hurry, or that you cannot afford to lose. Your emergency cushion, for instance, is much better off in a savings account than in the stock market. Remember, there is always an element of risk with investing, and investments are generally not as liquid as money in a bank account. To be successful in stock market investing, it is essential to read widely. Practice watching annual reports and understand how basic accounting methods are used to display company information. Look up unfamiliar terms in a good online glossary. Empowering yourself with investment information can go a long way in increasing your success. Keeping your mind focused on your goals, as well as ensuring that you don't deviate from your plans, means that you're best prepared to find profits in your investments. The second you falter or second guess yourself, you will fail. Include what you've learned here in your strategies and you will be bound for success. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.